Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that why I recommend these MAKITA electric drills and what are these facts that why this MAKITA is so excellent electric drill. And now this is not the battery, this is like standard electric cable drill, and let's go to look at what are these things why I choose and I recommend MAKITA electric drill driver. And then when we look this product and why I like this MAKITA's products, first thing is that this MAKITA is in my mind this best electric product in the world. And this comes from Japan, and when I purchased this product, like in that my case, it is model HP1641 product. This cost about 40 to 50 US dollars or euros, and we can get this product in a very nice suitcase where it was inside this system, but now I use only this suitcase when I go to travel, like in Mexico or some beach. I have ready suitcase for airplane. Okay, and this is good quality thing. And then when we look this, the main thing, this MAKITA drill driver and how we can use that, there are a couple of very good things in this product. Firstly, this product works so that when I press the switch, then this part moves. And now I connect this my electric cable to this electricity, and there is this cable slot, and soon we can see that how I can use that. Now there is electricity, and when I press the switch, this part works, moves. And now this drill head moves, and this is automatic lock. Soon I will show that. And there is reverse system. Now this is like in forward, and this area is reverse. And now we can see now it reverse, and very easily in one thumb, now it's like forward. And then the same switch is in another side. This is very nice. Nice thing. And there we can see this codes. This is like 680 watts. There's quite much power, and this works in like 16 millimeter drill bites in here. It takes 16 millimeter drill bites, and this is big drill bite. And then when I like to assemble this product, this is really easy to take this support grip. When I rotate this in this way, it opens, and same time when I rotate, there is this adjusting steel bar what moves now, and when I rotate that in lock, this part locks also. Really nice engineering. When I lock this steel bar locks, and this is like purpose is that how deep I like to drill. It's like stops automatically. And then when I install this drill bite, it happens in this MAKITA product so that firstly I rotate this outer part, and then I install my drill bite, and then I rotate this outer part again in this way, and then it stops, and then I have to take my grip in this another inner part, and we can hear this lock. Now it's locked. It is so easy to use. And now this my drill bite is ready to use. And then if I like to use to drill to concentrate, I can use this concentrate hammering thing, then this my drill goes easier, and this is like normal steel and wood area in here. And then this support thing is easy to change in that way. It is easy to take away and install in another side also. In this way. Now it's like another side. And easy to rotate, and we can take the support, this drill deepness bar away, and now this my drill is ready for work, and there is really nice this grip, this black one, and I can recommend to you this product. And then when I like to take drill away, only one fingers in here, inner ring, and then only one couple of rotation and drill pipe is away. And we can also use these screwdriver drill heads, and next I will install that one also in here. Okay, and there is Torx head drill pipe, and now I install this thing in here, and firstly I rotate this outer ring. It must be, now I use, now it comes in here, a little bit reverse, and then this drill pipe in here. And now I fasten these things, and fastening happens that I take inner area and then this click, very easy. And now I can use Phillips head and Torx head, these things, when I like to install screws and very nice. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend, and this Makita is my choice. Thank you.